special day, time to celebrate. Best birthday to you, you're the star today. Happy best birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Today, on my birthday, I just want to thank myself to being strong, patient and brave to face everything. Many things have pended whole this year, and I am grateful, O God, for giving me chances to always improve myself. Happy birthday to me. I will never forget to love myself.
Hindi ko inakala, doon pala nagsimula. Love story hindi naasahan, sa huli tayo pala sa isa't isa. Magkahawak ang mga kamay, magkasabay sa lakad ng buhay.
Basta't isipin di magbabago, damdamin